Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. CA Foundation results of January 2021 attempt are announced on March 21st, 2021. If you have got failed in that result, then this video is for you, my dear students. First of all, don't worry about failure. So don't think too much about the failure. So try to introspect the reasons for your failure and try to address those issues. In my opinion, the most probable reason for your failure is attending classes for CA Foundation in online mode earlier and preparing for CA Foundation from home, that is home preparation. So I don't recommend anyone to continue home preparation for CA Foundation. It's better to come to college and prepare for CA Foundation. By this time you might have realized the difference between online coaching and physical coaching. Definitely your attention levels will be very high in physical coaching rather than online classes. That's why I recommend everyone to come physically rather than continuing education in online mode. So please spend some quality time in identifying the remaining reasons for your failure and try to address one after another. Obviously you will see success in the next attempt. So I have even made a video on how to come out of the failure. So I am leaving the link of that particular video in the cards of this video. Look at the top right corner of this video, you will find a card, and please watch that video to understand how to come out of the failure. And now the question is, what are the services that Masterminds offers for the students of CA Foundation who got failed in these results? The first and foremost service that we are going to offer is CA Foundation study hours and revision exams batches. In these batches, we will make you to study for the whole day and will conduct 2 examinations a week. So this service is called study hours and revision examinations. So this service is available in all our branches. You can take admission in any of our branches. We have our branches in Guntur, Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Vizag, Kurnool, Nellore, Tirupati, Ameerpet and Dilsukh Nagar of Hyderabad. You can take admission in any of these branches, my dear students. So in this service we will make you to sit and study for the whole day. We will even provide our faculty for doubts clarification. Immediately after completion of exam, we will provide you suggested answers. Based on those suggested answers, you can analyze your mistakes and you can rectify the same. We will evaluate your exam papers and will return back the same. So this is how the study hours and revision exam service will be offered. And if you are not interested to attend the study hours physically, then straight from your home, that is staying from your home, you can appear for revision exams, and that service is called Masterminds Test Series. So the second service that we are going to offer is Crash Batch. If your conceptual clarity is not good, then revision exams will not work out for you. In such a case, the best option you need to choose is Crash Batch. So in this batch, we will conduct classes and will teach you all the subjects in a detailed manner, just like any other regular batch. That is called Crash Batch. So we got a rare opportunity this time because the next attempt of CA Foundation examinations will be conducted in the month of June 2021. So even in case of Crash Batch, after completion of syllabus, we will be conducting study hours and revision exams for a period of approximately 1 month. So Crash Batch, we have 2 options. One is physical, another one is online. If you want to attend these Crash Batch coaching physically, then you need to come and join in Guntur. Recently, one batch got started in Guntur. That was the last batch of CA Foundation Crash Batch started in Guntur among more than 9 batches formed for CA Foundation Crash Batch. So in that last batch, you will be given admission. So few chapters have already got completed in that batch. So all such chapters will be taught to you at the end. That means we are going to teach you the entire syllabus, but the only thing is whatever the syllabus got completed will be taught to you at the end. If you are not interested to attend the classes physically, then you can attend these classes in online mode also. So students of any of our branches can take admissions in this online mode. So even in this case of online mode, the batch has got recently started and few chapters got completed in that batch. You will be made to join in that batch. The chapters which got completed in that batch will be taught to you at the end. So these are the options available to you. Let us assume you have got failed in CA Foundation, but you have already qualified in CMA Foundation. In such a case, you can come and join for CMA Inter-Regular batch, which is physical batch available in Guntur. Hostel facility is also available for all of these services in Guntur and some of our branches. So you can physically come and join for CMA Inter-Regular batch. This batch has got started recently. Few chapters have got completed in that batch. So first we will teach all the remaining chapters. Whatever the chapters got completed till now will be taught to you at the end. So totally these are the three options available to you. So my dear students, we have one more service, that is RRB batches, that is rapid revision batches. So as a part of this service, we will revise each subject of CA Foundation in just a matter of 20 to 25 hours. That means it's a brief revision of the entire syllabus. So if you want to watch those rapid revision batches, you can directly install our app, Masterminds Online Classes. It's an Android app. Install that app, search for CA Foundation videos, and CA Foundation rapid revision batches will be available. You can pay the requisite amount and can start watching the videos of any of the subjects of rapid revision batches. That service is also available. If you are interested to take admission in any of the batches that I have told right now, you can consult our counseling team. The mobile numbers of the counseling team are provided in the description of this video. So if you are still confused what to do, don't worry. You can contact me directly through my mail ID. I am leaving my mail ID in the description of this video. Please follow the description of this video. So, and my dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a latest video, you will be able to know. And please follow our Facebook and Instagram pages with the title Masterminds for CA for latest updates. Please do visit our website mastermindsindia.com for latest updates. And please look at the information provided in the description of this video for some additional information. Dear students, let us assume you feel that you have written your examinations very well, but still you were unable to qualify. Then, if you are really serious to know what might have happened, what might be the reasons for your failure, then you need to apply for certified copies. So what is certified copies? How to apply for the same? Don't worry. I am leaving a card. I am leaving a link of a video as card. So you can find the details in the top right corner of this video. So watch that video to know complete step-by-step procedure on how to apply for certified copies, apply for the same, and try to analyze your own papers to identify the mistakes committed by you and to also identify the reasons for your failure. If you are confused and unable to know why you got failed, don't worry. So obtain those certified copies, send those certified copies as mail to my mail ID, and I will tell you the mistakes committed by you. So you can find my mail ID in the description of this video.